drive this car carefully. Because if you as much as let an ant bite her, I will skin you alive.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna miss you, baby.
I'll miss you too. Take care of yourself, yeah?
Right.
Okay. Everything is okay.
Really?
Yeah, actually they've been very, very nice to me. In fact, Mom, they are nice people.
That's good.
Mom, it's just that sometimes Ogbonna acts very strange.
Strange? Yeah. How do you mean?
I think there's something he's hiding from me.
What could I be?
Yeah? Mom, I think there's something between Ogbonna and the driver.
You mean the same driver that brought you here?
Yes, Mom. Ogbonna has sworn that over his dead body, will he live to see a smile on the guy's face. And each time I try to talk to him about it, he picks on me.
This is serious, but have you tried asking him what the problem is?
Mom, I don't think there's anything. And even if there is, do you think he's going to tell me?
Yes. Just ask him, okay? I think you should.
You say so, you know.
Mommy! That's my baby.
You look very good. You're looking younger.
Hey, I hear you.
This is nice.
Okay. I'll give it to you.
My mama love.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Who are you? And what do you want?
My name is Ego, and I'm here to see my fiancé.
Your fiance? Who is he?
Ifeanyi, the driver.
Oh. Well, he's not around now. Let me drop you.
Ego, mama ni bagwa. Madimbabu ifo jinaka, ifo bunisi, ife dinabaya.
My princess, I swear, my princess, I have never met the prince all my life. Before I even got to the palace, never. Even after I got to the palace, I don't know what I did. We had no problem at all, no problem. This whole thing started from the very first day we went to the airport to pick him up. He just hates me. He doesn't want to see my face.
No, it's okay.
He doesn't like me.
It's okay. I believe you at least for now. But if I find out that you lied to me today, believe you me, my hatred for you will surpass that of my husband.
My princess, I swear, all I've told is nothing but the truth. Nothing but the truth. Nothing more.
It's okay, you don't have to swear. Just concentrate and let's go. Alright?
I don't know what I did. I wish I could just leave this job and go.
Oh, come on, I said it's okay.
It's okay.
Ego. Mama ni bagwa. Madimbabu ifo jinaka, ifo bunisi, ife dinabaya. Madimbabu ego. Madimbabu ego. Ojidego obulo lili. Madimbabu ego. Ojirego oribarere. Madimbabu ego. Ojidego baba. Madimbabu ego. Ojirego bolo sakwa. Madim pabego. Ego, ego. Madim pabego.
Thank you very much, Your Highness.
Thank you. Can I have your number so I can call you?
I don't have a phone.
Oh, I see. I'll come to see you, okay?
Thank you. Thank you very much for the money.
Yeah, what?
Brother, good evening.
Who was that man I saw you with?
Oh, that's Prince Ogbonna.
Which Prince Ogbonna?
Ini's boss.
And where did you meet him?
I went to the palace to see Ini and he was not around, so he just said that he would help me and drop me home.
So you mean to say the Prince of Amanko came to drop my sister, and on top of that, give her money?
Yes, I've been thinking maybe we can use it to do all those things that we did not do before, all those leaking things in the roof.
Hey.
At least we can change pots in the house.
Jide, I'm going to the shop. I will meet you at home. Yeah?
Why don't you take some money from here and tell the
worry,
carpenter to do that leaking thing now? That's not
Don't worry,
leaking.
when you go home, just give it.
Okay.
Yeah?
Alright, brother.
Bye. Neka, please, I beg you in the name of God, okay? She needs this money so badly to attend to a very pressing problem. And I've already promised I was going to give it to her. And I have it. But unfortunately, that stupid prince cancelled my off day. So I could not get the money across to her. Please help me.
But you know that I can't leave the palace now. I can't leave the palace now. It's late. Why can't you leave it tomorrow on my way to the market? I will stop by and give it to her. Why?
Neka, it will be late then. That is my fear. It might be late what she needs the money for.
But wait, that reminds me. She was here today.
Kimwe? Here? In the palace?
Yeah.
So what happened?
But the prince attended to her.
The prince attended to her?
Of course.
Did the prince walk her out of the palace?
No.
Oh, thank God.
But he was on his way out when she came, and the prince decided to give her a ride.
Did she entered the prince?
Of course.
She entered the prince's car? You saw?
I did.
Ego makego. Ego ibongemo. Akwama chalacha akuchinyelemo. Mwana busoma. Ego ibongemo. Alapokwana makao. Ego ibongemo.
I want to take the car to the mechanics and fix the fault he developed on our way back.
Mechanic? Yes. At this time? Can't you wait till tomorrow? It's already late.
Like we? No, please. The prince might want to use the car. And I will not want him to see the car in that state, please. Let me quickly rush to the mechanics and fix it, please, before he sees it, please.
Okay. Just make sure you come back before he returns.
I will.
And I suppose 5,000 naira should be enough. Okay. Come back before he returns.
I will. Thank you.
Ego makego. Ego ibongemo.
I actually got the money. I got the money. But that stupid idiot prince asked me to take his wife to our village. We're just coming back. You know, and when I got to the palace, they told me you came.
I came to the palace yesterday, but the prince told me that you traveled. He even was kind enough to drop me at home and he gave me some money.
He did what? He gave you some money. What for?
Nothing. Just give me.
Ha. Obi, you mean you collected money from somebody that hates me so much? Treats me as if I'm nobody? You collected money from him?
I didn't beg him for the money. He just gave it to me.
Where's the money? Go and bring it and return it back to him.
My brother took it.
Your brother did what?
It's okay.
Look, I don't like this. I don't like it. I don't like it, I'm telling you.
Sorry, Obi.
I don't like it. I don't like it. Let this not happen again.
Barbara! Barbara! Barbara!
Oh, baby.
Where is my most expensive car?
Oh, I sent the driver to the mechanic with it.
Just pray he comes back with that car unscratched. Because I will not only yell at you, but I'm going to tell you something nasty.
Come on. You only asked my permission to go face the car. How was I supposed to know you're not going to come back this early?
Save your explanations and just pray. Hey, come here, come here. Come here. Where in the name of God did you go with my car?
To the mechanics.
Oh. You went on an exile with my car. My most expensive car, and you stand there yelling and looking at me?
I'm sorry, my prince, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Sorry for your miserable life. Will you drop those keys before I give you a dirty slap?
Sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, okay?
Mama nyibagwa Madimbabu ifo jinaka Ifo bunisi ife dinapaya Madimbabu ego Madimbabu ego Ojidego obulo lili Madimbabu ego Ojirego Oribarere Madimpabego Ojidego Baba Madimpabego Ojidego Bolusakwa Madimpabego Ego Madimpabego 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 Madimpabego
Once more, my son, I say welcome to your fatherland.
Thank you very much, sir.
Now, tell me exactly when you entered this country.
That should be on Monday, Your Highness. Actually, my plane landed Abuja on Monday evening. I went straight home to grace my parents' 30th anniversary. Then I decided to come down here today.
Okay, you did very well. You are welcome once more.
Thank you.
Amara.
Yes, Daddy.
Have you prepared a decent room for him upstairs?
Yeah.
Actually, Your Highness, I checked into a hotel room 35 minutes ago when I came down here.
How can you check into a hotel room when I have mansions here?
Actually, Your Highness, I never thought it would offend you.
Of course it did. You see, apart from the fact that you are going to marry my only daughter, your father, Senator Mwafo, and I grew up together as best of friends. And it's unacceptable for his only son to be in my kingdom and he will not be under my immediate care.
It would never repeat itself again, Your Highness. I promise.
All right. Okay. Amara.
Yes, Daddy.
Please, I can check if this food is ready.
So, what was that food?
Listen, you're a very pretty girl, fit for a prince, and not a common driver. I like you. I want to help you discover the real you. If you can permit me.
Ifeanyi has been there for me for a very long time. He's still assisting me right from my JSS3. And we agreed to marry each other.
Come on, be smart. Your name is Ego, money. Get if you marry with a man named Ego. Why are you dealing with a man that doesn't have money? That guy is not only dumb, but he has nothing to offer you. He has no future.
What do you want from me?
Just an opportunity to care for you, to buy you everything you want. I mean, to make you the happiest woman on earth.
You're married.
Who says the future king of Amanpo is not entitled to 2 queens?
If you really want to take me out, you have to come and see my elder brother. I don't go out without his permission, and I don't want him to start looking for me.
Ego. Mama nyebagwa. Madimbabu ifo jinaka, ifo bunisi, ife denabaya. Madimbabu.
Who we have here?
Wow.
My God.
Good to see you, bro.
You're welcome, my guy.
What have you been eating?
Eba and onubu soup.
Wow, it's as though you're going to blow up in a split of seconds.
All thanks to Barbara.
You can say that again. So when did you arrive?
That was like an hour ago.
Oh, that's nice. You're welcome.
Thanks, bro. Thanks, man.
Where are you guys off to?
I want to see him off to the hotel.
Hotel?
Yes.
Man, what are we doing with all the spaces here? Man, you should be staying here. What are you doing at the hotel?
Well,
he said he wants to stay.
Keep quiet, you. Anyway.
good to see you again, bro.
All right now.
Good to see you again.
Take care.
Leave me.
Okay, no problem.
Emeka.
Ifeanyi, my good in-law.
How are you?
I'm fine, you're welcome.
Thank you. And how's business?
As you can see, we are doing it.
Well,
And yours?
well, you can see we're pushing it small.
Good.
Please, how about Ego Ibom? Is she at home?
No. Ego Ibogi has traveled to Onitsha.
What? Travel to Onitsha? But she did not tell me.
Oh yes, it was a matter of urgency. My late mother's younger brother, daughter, who live with her husband in Onitsha, has just put to bed. And Ego had to run to her aid.
Hey, but she have told me.
Actually, she wanted to come and see you because she was crying when I escorted her to the park.
Oh.
But she didn't have a phone now. She would have called you.
Oh. But she have still told me or look for a way to tell me. Please, Emeka, that's your auntie, the one she went to see in Onitsha. Does she have a telephone or an address where I can visit her?
Ifeanyi, you don't have to bother about that now. Yeah? Will you abandon your job just to travel because of a woman?
Emeka, I can, no, I can.
I don't know where to help you on that one.
Ego, makego. Ego, ibongemo. Awamwa chalacha, akuchi nyelemo. Mwana busoma. Ego, ibongemo. Alapokwana makao. Ego, ibongemo. Ego, mwakego. Ego, ibongemo. Awamwa chalacha, akuchi nyelumo. Mwada busoma. Ego, ibongemo. Alapokwana makao. Ego, ibongemo. You shine like a diamond ring. When I'm with you, I feel like a king. My only angel, love of my life. When I get the money, I will make you my wife. Ego, mwakego. Ego, ibongemo. Awamwa chalacha, akuchi nyelumo. Mwada busoma. Ego, ibongemo. Alapokwana makao. Ego, ibongemo. Ego, mwakego. Ego, ibongemo. Awamwa chalacha, akuchi nyelumo. Mwada busoma. Ego, ibongemo. Alapokwana makao. Ego, ibongemo. Babu ego, mama ni bagwa. Madim babu ifo jinaka, ifo bunisi, ife denabaya. Madim babu ego. Madim babu ego, ojidego, obulo lili. Madim Ojirego, oribarere. Madim babego. Ojirego, baba. Madim babego. Ojirego, bonusawa. Madim babego. Ego. Madim babego. Madim babego. Madim babego. Madim babego. ego, 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 ego. Mama bagwa. Madimba bu ifo jinaka, ifo bunisi, ife denapa ya. Madimba ego, ego, ego. Madimba ego, ojidego, obulo lili. Madimba ego, ojirego, oribarere. Madimba ego, ojidego, obaba baba. Madimba ego, ojirego, bonusakwa. Madimba ego, ego, ego. Madimba ego, Madimba ego, Madimba ego, Madimba ego, Madimba ego.
You mean the prince took you out for shopping?
Yes, so. Yeah.
Hey!
Oh, I forgot. He got me a phone.
Let me see. Hi! This is good news. Yeah? You see what I've been telling you about? You are a very beautiful woman who deserves nothing but the best. Hey! Hey!
Ego Ibo. Is this you? How are you?
What are you doing here?
I should be the one asking you because you just disappeared without letting me know.
I'm sorry. The news of my auntie's child's death just got to me and it just broke me down. I just ran.
Death?
Yeah.
But your brother Emeka told me that your aunt put to bed and called you to come and help her. That's what he told me.
We're saying the same thing. The child died after birth.
Oh, sorry, eh? Oh, so are you back now or fully or you're still going back?
No, I'm not. I mean, the child is dead now, so we don't need a nanny anymore.
Oh, sorry, eh? Sorry. Sorry, eh?
Thank you.
Sorry. Meanwhile, you're looking very beautiful. Eh? Ego Ibo.
Sweetie, how do you feel now?
Still very tired.
Baby, are you sure you don't want me to cancel this trip and stay with you?
I'll be fine. You have to go because your mother is waiting for you.
Yeah, I really wish you're coming with me.
I wish I could too, but don't worry. Ifeanyi will drop you safely.
Okay. Are you really sure you can stay by yourself?
I've taken my medicine. It's okay. I'll be fine.
Okay, if you insist. Let me go and dress up and get going. I love you. Please take care of yourself, alright?
Nne, please, don't do anything that will upset him. Do whatever he asks of you and make me proud, okay?
He's only inviting me out for ice cream. Nothing else.
Okay. But just heed my advice, just in case.
Babu ifo jinaka ifo bunisi ife denapaya madim babu ego madim babu ego ojidego obulo lili madim babu ego
baby. Oh, my angel. How was your trip?
It was good, thank you. And how's your health?
I'm fine now.
I can see you're really fine.
So how is your mom?
She's fine. She sends her love.
Okay, Bertrand?
He's okay.
Okay, glad to have you back.
Emmy, I miss you. You really look good.
Thank you.
So what are you drinking? I'm really thirsty.
This is very hard.
Okay.
I'll call these guys to get you some.
But I can take it and get high. For you? Are you serious? Okay, let them get me something.
Yeah. You there? Yeah.
Ego Ibo. Ego Ibo. Ego. Ego. Ego Ibo. Ego Ibo. Ego. Ego. Ego Ibo. Ego Ibo. Ego Ibo. Ego.
Ego Ibo.
Mama, do you know I cannot believe that Ego Ibo, my Ego, have not been here to see you in a week. Mama, this is the same Ego that frequents this place every day. No day passes that Ego does not come here to see you. Is it the same Ego we're talking about? Mama.
My son. She might be busy in her production.
Mama, that is not an excuse. Biko, don't say this again. The Ego Ibo that I know, Ego Ibo has changed. The way she dresses has changed. Her manners has changed. Everything about Ego has changed. Mama, such that I'm even scared. I'm afraid. I fear for our relationship.
Oh, okay.
Hi! Ego.
Ego Ibo kwa nezigbo nwa. And I know she will change.
Mama.
Biko,
Mama, not the ego I'm seeing.
Biko, Biko.
It is not my ego.
She will change, eh?
She is not.
Right, trust me, baby. Let me just go and get it. I will be back in a jiffy, okay?
No. You stay put here. Let me go get the stuff. Alright?
Are you sure about that? Fine, we'll wait.
Alright. That's good. Alright. Come in, alright?
Alright. You make it quick.
Alright. I'm coming. What are you doing here? And excuse me, is this not Ifeanyi's fiancé?
It's not what you think.
It's not what I think. I pray so. Excuse me.
It was a mistake. It won't happen again, I swear.
Ogbonna, listen. I'm not asking you to kneel down here and make promises. All I'm saying is, whatever it is you have with that girl, be it lust or love, I don't care. But I want you to put a stop to it. Because the next time I spot you guys 1 inch close to each other again, believe me, I will let loose my mouth. Not only will I tell your wife, but also your in-laws.
Hey, come on, baby, sis. That's too harsh. Come on.
Don't patronize me. Because I'm that serious. Let that ugly incident of yesterday never repeat itself. Ever again.
I'm sorry.
Oh, please save it. Because that's what I feel for you right now. Excuse me. You can leave.
Yes, my princess. You sent for me.
Yes, I did. Actually, I was wondering, are you still with that fiancé of yours? The one you introduced to me on my brother's wedding day.
Yes, my princess. We're still together.
So tell me, how close are you guys?
We're very close. I am even thinking of going to pay her bride price very soon.
Okay. And that is to say you love her.
I love her very much, my princess.
Okay. One more thing. What's that her name again?
Her name is Nwakego. But I call her Ego Yibom. My wealth.
Ego Ibugi.
Yes.
Okay. You can now go.
Thank you very much, my princess.
I think you're giving my brother too much space. Your marriage is barely 6 months, and you're acting as if he's 10 years old.
Amara, do you want me to carry your brother on my head? Come on, I know that our marriage is new and I pamper it.
Well, I don't think you do, seriously.
Wait a sec. Why do I have this feeling that you're saying all this because of your love for Kate?
How do you mean?
Maybe because I'm not pregnant yet. You know, you African people, pregnancy. Maybe I'm not pregnant yet. Yeah. Why?
Anyways, and that too. Girlfriend, what are we waiting for? Let us fill this whole palace with cakes, you know?
Really?
Yeah.
Now, where's your boyfriend? Dennis. In the hotel, right? What are you doing here? Meet him, do the thing, and start getting pregnant. And I promise, I'm going to meet you.
You're not serious.
No, we need to fill this compound with Kate.
And you know my brother is the first child, so him first.
Oh, please.
Both of you first.
Please, start having kids. I'll follow suit. Meet your boyfriend in the hotel. Do you want me to escort you?
I mean,
let's go. Don't have kids. Let's
oh
have
my
kids.
God.
Yeah. No. I won't do that. I will not.
Who was that? Who did you just speak to on the phone? Obinna, you just spoke to a girl. Call her back and prove to me that there's nothing between you two. Do you understand?
Let me just go.
Hey! Call her back. I want to talk to her. Prove to me that there's nothing. Or let me have your phone.
Please, what's
Obinna, let me have your phone.
What's come over you? What's come over you?
What's come over me?
I want to go and sleep. What's the problem?
Call the person back. Prove to me. Or else you will not move out of this place. And you will not have rest in this house.
Barbara. What is it?
Oscar.
No, ask your brother.
Hey. Now listen to me, listen. Let today be the very last time you will ever call my brother's phone. I took my time to come here to warn you because I want to be sure that I advise you myself to avoid blames. Because the next time I see you 20-inch close to my brother, believe me, I'll put every single hair on your scalp. Stupid girl! Instead of you to settle down with the man that loves you, you're here chasing shadows. Idiot. Let me never come back here.
Ego, what are you doing here? I thought I asked you to stay at the shop till I finish with this bike. Eh? Now this is the problem you have. You always eat too much. So it is because of hunger you locked my shop and came home. Anyway, you have to change. Because this is not a good attribute for a future queen of our people.
My point, brother. I am tired of daydreaming about being a queen. I want to go back to Ifeanyi. I want to go back to happiness.
What nonsense are you talking about? Who is Ifeanyi?
Look, the prince is married. No matter how we try to deny that fact, he is married. He has a wife, okay? His sister came to the shop today. She threatened me that if I don't leave her brother, she's going to kill me.
She will kill you. Why would she do that?
Why?
Is it your fault that you're so beautiful that her brother cannot let you go?
Brother, she was serious.
Nem. Gideon.
Madim babeko, ego. Mamanye bagwa Madim babu ifo jinaka Ifo bunisi ife denapaya Madim babu ego Madim babu ego Ojidego obulo lili.
What do you mean?
I'm pregnant.
Pregnant? For who? Wait. You didn't take anything after that day we did something? How could you be so careless?
I'm sorry. You didn't tell me to take anything. And I didn't know. Else, I would have asked my brother for something.
Come. Hope you didn't tell your brother we did anything that day. Hey. This girl a woman. What? Hey. Oh my God.
With all due respect, my prince, I refuse to discuss the untimely death of my only sister. I mean, how can you ever suggest that? Or is it because we are poor?
Emeka, don't talk like that. I really like your sister and you know it. It's just that, as the crown prince, it will not be wise for my first child to come out of wedlock.
And who is talking about out of wedlock? Who is talking about producing a bastard? Listen, my prince, it's either you get married to my sister as soon as possible, or I will announce our little secret to the whole world.
Breakfast is served. What's the matter? Why are you like this?
No, nothing. I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I'm alright. What were you saying?
I said, breakfast is served.
Oh, I'm actually starving.
Then let's go before the food gets cold.
Barbara?
Yes, baby.
Do you know I love
Yeah, and I love you too. Go.
Igwe, Ichie, I greet you, my fathers.
Young man, who are you? And why are you here?
Igwe, my name is Emeka Okoro. I am a native of this clan, and I am here to see you.
Young man, didn't the guards tell you that I'm having a one-on-one meetings with the king?
They did, my father.
They did. Then why barging on us? I mean, what is it on this planet Earth that you came for that couldn't wait until after our meetings?
I'm sorry, my fathers. What I came for is urgent and needs urgent attention before things fall apart.
Oh, then speak up, let us see. Speak, just speak.
Hey, young man, what is it that you want to say? Speak out, let us hear you.
Igwe, Ichie, please, it's about the prince. The prince has been deceiving my sister for some time now. And each time I try to complain, he will threaten to deal with me if I do not stay clear. But right now I can't anymore, because I just found out that my sister is pregnant for him and he's planning to abort the pregnancy.
Hello. Mbano.
You are a disgrace, young man. I mean, a disgrace. Yes. I mean, how can you explain your promiscuity? How can you explain it a few months after your marriage?
I'm sorry, Dad. I'm really sorry. I regret my actions. It was a mistake.
You are right. It's a mistake. You are right. It's a mistake. And a very expensive mistake. Very expensive. And you're going to pay dearly for it. Because you're the custom.
Daddy, you have to do something. My marriage is still too young to survive.
Please! You should have thought about that before going after another man's woman.
Another man's woman, you say? What do you mean?
Father, the girl in question is Ifeanyi's fiancée.
Which Ifeanyi?
Ifeanyi, your humble driver, whom your son detests so much.
Oh my God. You mean you've been frustrating the driver all this while because you wanted his woman? Jeez! You were so pathetic! Gosh! Believe! Barbara! Barbara, wait!
Baby, I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Don't touch me. Don't.
It wasn't intentional. There's the devil walking. Baby, please say something. I'm sorry. I beg of you, forgive me. Please.
I'm sorry, but I have to let you know that your supposed fiancé has been having an affair with my brother.
My princess, that can't be possible.
And why, if I may ask?
Because Ego Ibom and I are in love, and she promised never to hurt me. She also promised me that she will be mine and mine alone forever.
Well, I guess she lied. Because as I speak to you, she is pregnant for the prince.
My princess, I'm afraid that can be true. Because my Ego Ibo is a virgin. And we both agreed to keep it that way until our wedding night.
Okay. Then, why don't you confront her and see if I'm lying or not? Excuse me.
Ego, makego. Ego, ibongemo. Awama chalacha, akuchi nyelemo. Mwana busoma, ego ibongemo. Anapokwana makao, ego ibongemo.
You see why you always have to respect and obey my instructions. I mean, for the first time you obeyed and listened to me. You're about to become the queen of Amanko village.
Brother, I always listen. It's just that your advice comes as trouble sometimes.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Ego Ibom. Thank God you're here. I went to the shop but I met the shop locked. And I was wondering where you are. How are you? Ego Ibom, how are you? Are you okay?
Does she look sick to you?
Rebecca, please. Allow me to talk to my woman, please. I want to talk to her alone. Ego Ibom, are you alright? How are you? There's this rumor. There's been speculated everywhere. Even in the palace.
What rumor? What foolish rumor are you talking about?
My wealth, my jewel, Obiutom. I don't know how. This rumor has it that you are having an affair with the prince. That wicked prince. That idiot. That stupid man. But you know what? I told them it's a lie. That they don't know you. I'm the one that knows it. I know you very well. That it can't be true. They're even saying that you're pregnant for you.
Yeah, fine. We've heard what you said. And everything you heard is true. My sister is pregnant for the prince.
How do you mean, Emeka?
I simply mean everything you heard is true. Ranging from the relationship down to the pregnancy are all true.
Obi, say something! Talk to me now, tell me it's not true.
Bia, fine you, Biam. Leave my compound. Get up. My dear, go in. Listen, let me tell you something. Leave my family alone. Leave my sister alone. Leave my compound now. Biawai, go inside. Get inside!
Obi, please, Obi.
If you're done, you know your way out.
Baba, tell me, how can I lose the only woman I have to my fellow man because of poverty? Baba, because of poverty. How can I, after laboring, another man comes to reap? Tell me, Baba.
God knows why. Who knows? Maybe Ego Yibo would not be a good wife in the future.
Baba, so if she's not a good wife to me, how can she then be a good wife to a wicked prince? Tell me, Baba, tell me. Where am I going to find another woman as good as my Ego Yibo? Tell me.
Ifeanyi Chukwunwa. Why the mad?
Ego.
There are good women out there. God will give you another one. One that will be better than Ego Yibo.
Ego.
It's okay.
Ego.
Stop crying, my son. Stop crying, my son. No. I can't take this anymore. I can't stay with some guy who I do everything to make happy yet does not appreciate me. No, I can't.
Baby, what exactly do you mean by that?
I'll go back to the UK, get a job, and start my life all over again.
Baby, what does that define you as? What does that make you? A queen who could not stand the test of time by fighting for what rightfully hers? A queen who prefers to lose her home to one silly girl that is not anywhere her class. Baby, come on, you can do better than that, okay?
Do better than what? Do better than what exactly? That barely 6 months after I got married to your brother, he impregnated another woman. No, I can't.
Baby, Believe me, you understand how you feel. I swear I do. You have to calm down, okay? Don't allow that Nweke to rejoice over you. I beg you. Don't allow that stupid girl to rejoice over you, alright?
Amara, you don't understand. You don't. You don't know how I feel. You don't know how I feel. No, you don't. Just stop it. I'm sorry. Leave me, guys. Seriously.
My people, there's no need beating around the bush because we all know the solution to this problem.
Which is?
Prince have to marry the girl. Whether much or much of him, only the money, guarding more.
I will tell me. But my fellow chiefs, we all know that the prince has married. Not just married, but newly married. Ozwana, when did it become a crime for a prince to have more than one wife?
All I'm saying that if the prince want to take the second wife, that is being a polygamy. We have to follow our custom and tradition. He has to become the king first, then he can marry as many wives as he can.
I tell you people, now sister Akwagigo, how do you expect that girl to give birth? You and I know that it's a taboo for a royalty to born outside the palace. Sister Akwagigo.
My chiefs, what is our conclusion?
Igwe, Ndichie, Prince have to take care of the girl till she delivered. When he become king, he can marry her fully. Onye gbatara uche ihe ahịa, ọwụnụ ga-asị ya erikule.
Mba.
Sister Akwagigo.
Thank you very much.
Mmadi mkpabụ ego. Mama anyị bụ agwa. Mmadi mkpabụ ife oji n'aka, ife obu n'isi, ife dị n'akpa ya. Mmadi mkpabụ ego. Mmadi mkpabụ ego. O jide ego ọbụla olili. Mmadi mkpabụ ego. O jiri ego oriba arịrị. Mmadi mkpabụ ego. O jide ego ọbaba. Mmadi mkpabụ ego. O jiri ego ọbụla sakwa. Mmadi mkpabụ ego. Ego. Mmadi mkpabụ 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 ego.
Now you listen to me and listen real good. There's a limit to what I can take from you and your mistress. If she must remain in this palace, let her be in the guest room.
Obina, is it not enough that your wife must share you with her? Must she also share her bed with her? Fine, if the tradition demands she stays here until she puts to bed, good. Then you go downstairs and get a room, or even in the servants' quarters.
Exactly. After all, he has a way of sharing things with his subjects.
Everything will be alright.
No, Nega. I can't stand this anymore. I can't. I'll just quit this job and just go away. Go away. The shame is too much for me. I can't stand it.
So you want to leave your job for a woman who's not worth your pains? Or you go and commit suicide for a woman who will not even notice? Oh, come on, Ifeanyi. You stay back and face your fears. Stay back.
Madim babu ego. Mama ni bagwa. Madim babu ifo jinaka, ifo bunisi, ife denapaya. Madim babu ego. Madim babu ojidego obulo dili. Madim babu ojirego oribarere. Madim babu ojidego.
Like hell I have to. I thought I could cope with all this shit, but right now, I give up. Like seriously, I quit.
Oh, fine. Can't you at least... Let us wait until he comes back. Let us see his reaction.
Oh, are you kidding me? You think I give a shit about that dude you call your brother? I don't ever want to set my eyes on him again. In fact, he can go to hell for all I care.
Okay, fine. What about father? You know how much he loves you. Can't you at least wait for him to come back?
Amara, he loves me and I love him too. You understand me? The more reason I want to leave here before his stupid, useless son pushes me into committing murder. You understand me?
This is my brother you're calling stupid.
Babu ego. Mama ni bagwa. Madim babu ifo jinaka, ifo bunisi, ife denapaya. Madim babu ego. Madim babu ego. Ojidego obulo dili. Madim babu ego. Oribarere. Madim babu ego. Ojidego baba. Madim babu ego. Ojidego bolo sakwa. Madim babu ego. Ego. Madim babu 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 ego.
Where's my wife? Amarachuku, I'm talking to you. Where is Barbara?
Becky, if you're looking for your wife, you check the guest room. But if you're looking for Barbara, your ex-wife, I advise you catch the next flight to UK. And God help you, you may find her.
What's the meaning of next flight, UK, guest room, whatever?
Simple. Barbara is no longer interested in the marriage and she has traveled back to UK.
I take that as an expensive joke.
You can ask the palace aide, but better still ask the man whose wife you stole. He was the one that dropped her off at the airport.
Okay, Ifeanyi conspired with my wife to run away from me. Okay, now I can get it. Ifeanyi! Ifeanyi! Ifeanyi!
My princess. Come here.
Where's my wife?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes.
While you dropped her at the airport? Okay, so it was a conspiracy, eh?
No.
No! She told me you dropped her and you're lying! Guards! Okay.
My prince,
Guards! Take this man. Strike him! I'm following. Remove his vest! Remove his shirt! Go and get the phone.
I just drove the car.
Strike this man.
Please, I'm sorry. I know where I dropped her.
Strike him.
I know where I dropped her.
Remove his shirt and remove this nonsense!
My prince, I know where.
Apes!
I know where I dropped her, please.
Ladies, where's the dollar with the canes?
My prince.
Where's that dollar that went for the cane?
Please, I'm sorry.
Where's that ape?
I'm sorry, my prince.
Don't be that. Stop! What's wrong with you? Can you imagine this idiot helping my wife to escape from me?
No, Your Highness, no.
Ifeanyi, stand up. Guys, help him stand up. Bring him up.
That's not true, Your Highness. They told me to go and drop her at the airport. That's all I did. He has not started flogging me yet.
Who gave you this mark? Where did you get it from?
Okay, Your Highness, I've always had it when I was a little boy.
Hey!
For 5 years, I lived with my husband without a miscarriage, let alone a child, until the gods brought Ifeanyi into our lives. I took him home, and after treatment from I and my husband, he regained consciousness but could not remember anything about himself. So we saw him as a solace from the gods for our childlessness and named him Ifeanyi. 5 months later, my husband died, leaving I and Ifeanyi.
Hey! Anyway, the gods are not asleep.
Igwe, sister Akwaiko.
Obi is my son.
You sure you will go without me?
Yes, my lord. I really don't have much to do out there. Just a few minutes with the doctor and I'll stop by and pick up the boys from school.
Okay. So, in 1 hour or 2, I will expect my queen and my soldiers.
Of course, my lord.
Okay. Take care.
My king, the accident was a very fatal accident, which led to the death of the driver and of the queen. But they tried all our possible best to deliver her pregnancy. But my king, I'm sorry. We lost your queen.
What? What did you just suggest? Where's my queen?
My king.
I'm sorry, my king. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my king.
Doctor, how about the newborn baby and the boys?
The newborn baby is in the incubator. But as for the boy, he is in the ICU.
The queen was in the car with 2 of her sons.
Sir, the rescue team brought in 3 casualties. The queen, the driver, and the little boy. Just these 3 casualties. Nobody else. I'm sorry, my king. Please, I'm sorry.
You see, from that day, the doctor confirmed that my son, Obinze, the crown prince, the one with a mark, a birthmark, given by the gods, was missing. I sent out search parties, and for 3 whole weeks, they combed and looked for my namesake, my first son, Obinze. And from that day, the doctor confirmed that my son, Obinze, the crown prince, the one with a birthmark given to him by the gods, was missing. I sent out search parties to comb the area looking for my first son, my namesake, Obinze. All the effort were abortive. I mourned. I endured, believing that my wife and my first son are no more. Little did I expect, little did I know that he is alive and healthy.
The gods are not asleep.
Thank God. Thank gods. Oh gods of our land, glory be unto thy name, Obinze.
It's true we are here today for a reunion. My father has talked sense into me, and I've realized that maltreating a man just because he's not of the same class with you is not good. We must all realize that we are children from same parents. My brother,
forgive me. It's okay. Ogbonna, it's okay. Get up. Get up. Get up. It's okay. It's alright.
you know, I deeply regret every maltreatment towards you. I'm sorry. For blood's sake, forgive me.
It's all right. I want you to understand that every bad thing that happens to us happens for good. If I can't forgive you, who will I forgive? God brought me to the palace. He positioned me here to discover my roots. My brother, I forgive you. It's okay. I forgive you. I forgive you. I forgive you. It's okay. I forgive you.
Ifeanyi. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything that I've done wrong. I'm sorry for hurting you. I'm sorry for everything. All I ask for you is to bless this union. The deed has already been done.
Ego, rise. Ego.
Just bless us, please.
It's all right. Come on, Ego. 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 It's all right. I had already forgiven you before you asked. Okay? If you are what my brother truly desires, I give you both my blessing. Okay? I give you my blessing. Okay? I bless you. You know what? From henceforth, nothing will ever come between us. No man, no woman, no living thing or dead will ever come between us. Not in this world. Not in the world to come. Whatever I have in my life, I share with you. It's not even interest. No. You keep one, okay? You're gonna keep. You keep this one, okay? It's okay.
I bless this day. I bless this day. Thanks be to ancestors. Come together, my children. Come together.
Ego 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 oyibo nke m akwa mma chalacha akụchi nyere m nwada bụ sọ mma ego oyibo nke m arapụkwana m aka o ego oyibo nke m ego nwa nke ego 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 oyibo nke m akwa nwa chalacha akụchi nyere m nwada bụ sọ mma ego oyibo nke m arapụkwala m aka ego oyibo nke m. You shine like a diamond ring. When I'm with you I feel like a king. My only angel, love of my life. When I get the money I will make you my wife. Ego, ego, mwake ego. Ego, ego yibo nke mo.